Hello, everybody. Welcome to this session about elevating team dynamics with Microsoft Teams and Azure OpenAI. Um, who am I? So I'm Estelle Auberix. I'm CEO of my own company. I'm mainly specialized in training and human-centric innovation, and my uh, my skills are uh, very disparate because I'm specialist in cloud, edge cloud, because I work a lot on IoT projects and robotics, cybersecurity and blockchain, but not for the fintech, but only blockchain as a security tools, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing for the future. So the agenda is very busy because we're going to have a very quick introduction about Microsoft Teams. Then about Azure OpenAI, how we can empowering team dynamics. Then we're going to see how to integrate Azure OpenAI with Microsoft Teams, following by the strategies for enhanced team dynamics. And I'm going to tell you the best practices and some case studies for the successful case studies, of course. And I just had it yesterday because I think that might be interesting for you. A very quick comparison between OpenAI versus Microsoft 365 Copilot with Microsoft Teams, and then you will be able to make your choice depending of your needs. And we're going to close this session hopefully in time. So to begin, Microsoft Teams is more than just a chat tool. It's a comprehensive platform designed to facilitate seamless collaboration within organizations. So it brings together conversation, content, and apps all in one place, making teamwork more efficient and productive. So one of the key features of Teams is its chat and instant messaging functionality. It's allowed for both private one-on-one and group conversations, and you can share files within this chat and collaborate on them in real time, like we do in this event, and also eliminating the need for endless email threads in your daily work. So Teams offer also video conferences capabilities, breaking down geographical barriers and enabling face-to-face interaction at the click of a button. The file sharing and collaboration are made easy with Teams because it is integrated with Microsoft 365. Then your documents are accessible and editable in real time by Teams members, and you can collaborate in real time directly on your documents. But Teams, it's also allow for third-party integrations. That is what we're going to see in this session, ensuring that your favorite apps and tools are all housed under one roof. And the security is paramount in Teams. So rest assured that every conversation, every file shared is encrypted, ensuring your data safety, and per extension, your company data too. So with tasks and status options, tracking project progress has never been easier. And we have innovative features like Together Mode and Immersive Reader transform virtual interaction, bringing inclusivity and engagement to the forefront. So execute commands swiftly with slash commands and navigate through Teams seamlessly with the Tell Me bot, for example. And lastly, Teams allows for customization, tailor Teams according to your organization needs, making it as unique as you. And that is what we're going to try to do with by adding AI features in Teams. So Microsoft Teams brings together all the tools a team needs to work together effectively. I just told that. And it offers customizable workplace channel for specific projects or topics, intuitive scheduling, and participatory tools for meetings. But what truly sets Teams apart in its integration with OpenAI. OpenAI, with its cutting-edge algorithm, harnesses the capabilities of Teams, making it a powerful tool for any team. It can automate routine tasks, facilitate better communication, enhance decision-making, foster collaboration, and personalize the user experience. So imagine a workspace where collaboration tools are at your fingertips, enabling seamless interactions and enhanced productivity. With Teams integrated with OpenAI, this is not just a possibility, but it's becoming a reality. Moreover, in these areas where remote work is becoming the norm, platforms like Teams, enriched with OpenAI's capabilities, ensure that distance is not a barrier, but an opportunity for innovation, inclusivity, and growth. And so the integration of Microsoft Teams and OpenAI isn't just about connecting people, it's about empowering teams, making collaboration intuitive, secure, inclusive, and also ensuring that together we achieve more. So we're going to have a look on Azure OpenAI. Azure OpenAI is a comprehensive cloud-based platform that provides REST API access to OpenAI. So it leverages advanced machine learning models such as GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo with Vision, and GPT 3.5 Turbo, offering a range of capabilities to meet diverse needs. So one of the key features of Azure OpenAI is its robust cloud-based platform. This ensures seamless integration, scalability, and efficiency, making it an ideal solution for developers and businesses alike. And it also offers a variety of models, each designed to cater to specific business needs. So whether you need to generate creative content, understand complex text, or translate languages, Azure OpenAI has a model for you. So, but what truly sets Azure OpenAI apart is its fine-tuning capability. This allows you to refine models to align with your specific requirements, ensuring precision and relevance in every task. So securing its paramount in Azure OpenAI. That means that robust mechanisms are ingrained in the fabric of Azure OpenAI, ensuring data integrity and confidentiality. The access is streamlined, ensuring user-friendly interfaces coupled with efficient processes. Lastly, it underscores its commitment towards ethical AI practices with its responsible AI feature. This promotes fairness, transparency, privacy, and security while mitigating biases, ensuring that technology serves humanity ethically and responsibly. So the goal is not to replace the human, but just to help or to enhance the collaboration between humans. So how AI can enhance team communication and productivity? The AI has the potential to revolutionize team dynamics, making communication more efficient and enhancing productivity. So let's explore how. So firstly, AI can automate routine tasks. Consider scheduling meeting, finding a time that works for everyone. Can we be time consuming? Because currently you probably are using the scheduling assistant in Teams or in Outlook, but AI can analyze calendars, propose suitable times, and even send out invites, freeing up time for more important tasks. Secondly, AI can facilitate better communication. Tools like Azure OpenAI can understand and generate human-like tests, making them ideal for tasks like drafting emails or creating reports. That can even translate languages, breaking down communication barriers in global teams. Thirdly, AI can enhance decision making. How? Because AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights and predictions. So that can help teams make informed decisions. And for instance, AI can analyze customer feedback to identify trends and areas for improvement. Moreover, AI can foster collaboration. Platforms like Microsoft Teams integrate AI to facilitate real-time collaboration, and team members can co-author documents, brainstorm on a virtual whiteboard, and share screens, all in real time. Lastly, AI can help in personalizing the user experience. It can learn from user behavior to provide personalized suggestions and recommendations, enhancing efficiency and productivity. So how can we integrate Azure OpenAI? So as that is not a very long session, I don't have the time to do a real workshop. So I just simplify a step-by-step guide on integration. So the first step is the installation of the Teams toolkit. And this is a comprehensive resource which is equipped with tools and features tailored to optimize the development process, making it an ideal starting point for our integration. So for the starting toolkit, you will find it easily. I'm trying to switch. So I just wanted to take, okay. So let me show you. You can connect to the developer of Microsoft, and you have the platform, the Dev Teams Microsoft Tools. And in the developer portal, you will be able to find the tools and then to be able to download it. Oh, the simplest way to get these tools is to connect with the Visual Studio like that. Sorry, just so when you have Visual Studio Code, don't need to pay a license. Here you can see that I already have the toolkit. But if you don't have it already, you just have to go to the extension, and then in the extension, make a search for Teams Toolkit. And so you're going to find it. So find the extension, and with the extension, you will be able to install it. And you also have, that is why I wanted to show you, you can make the installation by default, but you also have the choice to choose for another version. For example, if you don't want the last version, you can go back to an older version if you got an old script, and if you want to run it without updating it. So that is that can be very comfortable to use this feature. So then when you are in your Visual Studio, you're going to connect your Microsoft 365 account as well your Azure account. But if you don't, for example, if you're working in a company and you don't have the right, I'm going to show you by signing out in the Microsoft tool, and you will have the choice. You can sign in if you have the authorization by your company, but if your SSI didn't give you the authorization, you can create a Microsoft 365 developer sandbox in order to create and to begin to work to get started with Teams Toolbox and with the integration of OpenAI with Teams. So that is why I wanted to show you that, because sometimes it's not well explained in the tutorials that you can find on the web. So once the Teams toolkit is installed, we embark on creating a new project and this is a foundation upon which our integration that will be that it's like laying the first brick of a building, and the third step involves selecting both AI assistant, and this marks the initiation of your journey. So I'm just going back to code, and then we'll have just sorry because I'm mixed up with between the screen. So I'm just going to connect back. Okay. And then you will be able to create a new app. And you can find here, you can find the bot, and you can choose some bot with a template.
Estelle,
This is a
we
very
are
good
not
way to
seeing.
begin. Yes.
Yes, we are not.
You
We
don't
are
see
only
it?
seeing the presentation.
Oh, sorry. I'm just going to stop sharing and to share again. Those just a second. Sorry. I'm trying. Is that okay now? Can you see the
Now
screen?
we are seeing the whole. We are seeing.
Okay,
Yeah,
sorry. So I think that you okay. You didn't
we are seeing your
see what I
WhatsApp
just
and
explained at the first. So at the first, I'm trying because the mouse is okay. So I just explain you at first. Sorry.
Estelle, just to make you aware, we can see your
Yeah.
WhatsApp up on screen as well.
Hold on.
We can see your
Okay, so
WhatsApp
that is not
as well.
the right screen. Sorry. Okay, because I have three screens and I can't connect to my mouse. Just a second. Okay, that's okay. I'm going to find the right screen to share. Okay,
Thank you.
screen. Sorry. Apologize for the delay. So this is the right screen.
yes.
Can you see the presentation in the back and
Yes.
the Visual Studio Code?
Yes.
We can indeed, yes.
Okay, apologize for the inconvenience. So just going back quickly to show you that if you don't have already Teams Toolkit installed in your Visual Studio Code, just have to look at it in the extension and you're going to find it there. And by clicking on the uninstall, you will have the choice if you need to install an older version. Okay, that could be important, especially if you get some old script that you are interested in. And you can see, so you can Google to find the toolkit, and as well you can find it in the developer tool portal that you have the dev.teams.microsoft.com, and you are in the portal for Teams, and you have also some tools that you can use, and you will be able to find the toolkit here also. So when you're creating a new project, you're going to select the bot assistant and create your OpenAI assistant. So there's some template, and that could be a quick experience. The fourth step is to install the dependency packages. So for that, there are essential components that ensure that our AI assistant operates seamlessly and then offering optimal performance and reliability. So it's like adding wheels to our car. And then the next step is providing the OpenAI API key. So for that, you're going to need to have an account to OpenAI. So that is like that. So you will have to create your account and you will be able to go to the platform to OpenAI and to get a new an API key. I don't know exactly. And you will be able to create a new one and to use it. So that is what you have to prepare before starting to develop or to create your project. Because if you didn't before, I think that now it should be quicker to register for an OpenAI developer account, because at the beginning it took some. For me, it took 1 or 2 weeks to get my account. So hopefully it's going to be quicker now. So finally, when you provide your OpenAI API key and the assistant ID that you get in the OpenAI platform, you will be able to launch your active. But for that, you will also need that your company or that you have the right to publish a customized app in Teams. So for that, you might have a one notice to say, for example, you don't have the right to publish and ask for your administrator. Or if you are the administrator, you will need to connect in the admin tips Microsoft and then to go in the policies. I'm sorry, customization policies. And when you manage your policies, don't have, it's not very efficient like that. You have to open your global policy and to say that this is on. So this is not this one. This is not the word. Sorry, but not here. Permission policies. No, the setup policies. Sorry, it's in the setup policies, and in the setup policies you need to go in the global one and to be sure that this is on in the upload custom app, because if by default it's on off. So when it's on, you will be able to publish your app. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. But if you have any question, do not hesitate after the meeting to ask me if you need more information. So I'll give you 2 links. I'm going to share my presentation at the end of the meeting. I give you 2 links with 2 very quick tutorial. It's a quarter of between 15 or 20 minutes to do the exercise, and you will be able to create your first conversational bot, as well your Knowledge Quest Microsoft Teams bot with OpenAI. So the strategies, AI has the potential to revolutionize their workflows and automate tasks, so making us more efficient and productive. So that can automate routine tasks, whether it's scheduling meetings, like I said previously, but also sorting emails or managing databases. And AI, in this case, can take over these repetitive tasks, freeing up your team for more complex challenges. Secondly, it can analyze the data at a scale, and this is simply simply impossible for human. And it can process vast amount of data in a fraction of time, unwilling pattern and insight that can drive strategic decision making. It can also optimize marketing campaign by analyzing customer behavior and market trends. And AI can, in this case, tailor marketing strategy to individual preferences, enhancing engagement and return on investment. Furthermore, AI can enhance content creation, whether it provides suggestion and correction, elevating the quality of your content. So moreover, AI can improve keyword selection in the digital space where visibility is key. AI can ensure that our content resonates with the right audience through optimized keywords. And it also can assist in storyboard creation, and it assists by visualizing narratives in compelling ways. And in this way, it enhances storytelling capabilities, making a presentation more engaging and impactful. So the fusion of AI and collaboration tool offer boundless possibilities for enhancing teams' dynamics and innovation. So let's delve into five key ways this synergy empowers teams. Firstly, AI's progress in data analysis unlocks a treasure trove of insights, um, igniting ID generation and fostering innovation. The second point, the collaborative tools infused with AI streamline tasks from scheduling meetings to facilitating multilingual communication and also fostering seamless collaboration. The first point is AI-driven decision support system empower teams with data-driven insight, paving the path for more strategic and innovative decision making. Fourth, personalized learning powered by AI tailors educational content to individual needs, nurturing a culture of continuous learning and creativity. And then AI's ability to analyze feedback and suggest improvements facilitates iterative refinement, driving teams toward greater excellence and innovation. So this is why we used to consider that the fusion of AI and collaborative tools revolutionize teams dynamics, propelling us toward a future of boundless creativity and innovation. So the best practice and some case studies, it's quickly, I will quickly tell you some remarkable success story in the world of digital innovation and software development. And these stories are not just about technological advancements, but also about vision, innovation, collaboration, and an unwavering commitment to pushing boundaries. So we begin by MyAssist, which is a platform that showcases the adaptability and user-centric design that is paramount in today's tech landscape. So it's a testament to how personalized experiences can enhance user engagement and satisfaction. Then we have Visionet, and this is a name of synonymous with the cutting edge solution. So it exemplifies how a focused vision and unyielding commitment can lead to monumental achievements in the digital space. We have Siemens Digital Industries softwares. Their contributions have not only streamlined industrial processes, but also enriched quality and efficiency, making a significant milestone in the intersection of engineering excellence and digital innovation. As we move forward, let's talk about integration represented by Microsoft Teams and Visual Studio. So these symbols of collaborative effort break silos, fostering an environment where creativity and productivity coexist. We have NA to N. This is another gem that underscores the power of workflow automation, and it epitomizes how seamless integrations can elevate operational efficiency, providing that in the realm of technology, automation is not just a luxury but a necessity. And last but not the least, GitHub. GitHub, this is a platform where millions of developers collaborate, innovate, and brings ideas to life. So GitHub embodies the spirit of community and shared knowledge that propels us into future innovation. So each of these logo is not just a brand, it's a story of vision, innovation, collaboration, and the unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries. And together, they form an eclectic yet harmonious blend of success stories that continue to inspire us and to be like some models. So the best practices is firstly you have to understand the technology. That is crucial. Microsoft Teams and Azure OpenAI are powerful tools with a wide range of features and capabilities. So by getting acquainted with these, you can exploit the technology effectively and efficiently. And secondly, the security and compliance cannot be overstated. So in the world riddled with cyber threats, safeguarding your data and privacy is crucial. You have the responsibility use of technology. This is a collective responsibility. It's not just about what the technology can do, but also about using it ethically and responsibly to foster a safe digital environment for everyone. The integration with Microsoft Teams amplifies productivity by fostering collaboration, communication, and efficiency among Teams members, irrespective of their geographical locations. Then leveraging the Teams toolkit and its customization tailored to meet specific organization needs, ensuring that your team operates at optimum efficiency while engineering a user-friendly interface. So the comparison between OpenAI and Microsoft 365 Copilot, when we compare particularly in the context of Microsoft Teams, we can see OpenAI's GPT-3 and GPT-4 are natural language processing models that can generate human-like text. And they can answer questions, write essays, summarize content, and even write code. When integrated with Microsoft Teams, OpenAI can serve as a chatbot, providing instant responses to user queries and enhances user engagement. However, their understanding and responses are based on predefined algorithms and data they've been trained on, and they might not fully understand or appropriately respond to complex or ambiguous requests, but this is GenAI, and they're going to learn as many as using them. You're going to teach them for the right answer. So on the other hand, Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI-powered digital assistant that combines the power of large language models with the Microsoft 365 apps and your business data in the Microsoft Graph. So it provides personalized assistance to users for a range of tasks and activities. And the effectiveness of Microsoft 365 Copilot depends on the quality and quantity of data available in the Microsoft Graph. And it might not provide accurate or useful assistance if there's insufficient data. So both OpenAI and Microsoft 365 Copilot offer unique benefits when integrated with Microsoft Teams. While OpenAI excels at generating human-like tests, Microsoft 365 Copilot provides a more personalized and context-aware assistance by leveraging data from the Microsoft Graph. And the choice between the two would depend on the specific needs and requirements of your company. So let's dive into the realm of AI integration within Microsoft Teams, comparing the strengths and weakness of the both prominent players. So starting with OpenAI, its versatility shines through with its ability to generate human-like tests using GPT-3 and GPT-4, making it a valuable asset for diverse applications. Additionally, when seamlessly integrated into Teams, OpenAI can elevate users' engagement by serving as a responsive chatbot. However, it is not without its limitation, but OpenAI's lack of internet search capabilities might result in outdated or inaccurate responses, potentially leading to what terms as hallucinations. So moreover, complex requests might fluster OpenAI and as it struggles to grasp or appropriately respond to ambitious queries. On the other hand, Microsoft 365 Copilot offers personalized assistance directly within Teams, leveraging AI to aid in tasks like context awareness, fueled by the vast data reservoir of the Microsoft Graph and the data of your company, and that ensure tailored and relevant support. Yet Microsoft 365 Copilot efficacy hinges on the richness of data within the Microsoft Graph and in scenarios where data is scarce or poor quality, its assistant may fall short of expectation. So to finish, because I'm looking at the time and I just have 2 minutes, as we draw a session to a close, it's evident that the fusion of Microsoft Teams and Azure OpenAI holds tremendous promise for elevating Teams dynamics and fostering collaboration in the modern workplace. And throughout our time together, we explored the myriad ways in which this technology enables us to empower teams, from facilitating seamless communication and task management to unlocking insights and driving innovation. So the integration of Azure OpenAI introduced a new dimension to Teams dynamics, enabling intelligent automation, personalized insight, and honest decision making. So if you have any questions, so the conclusion is I encourage you to each of you to take the insight and to do the tutorial. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, that's just 1 minute, and do not forget to rate the session. It's very important for the organizer.